Are you still building your business the old way, trapped by borders, high taxes, and red tape? In 2026, the smartest entrepreneurs aren't just going digital, they're going offshore. They're setting up offshore LLCs to protect assets, minimize taxes legally, and expand globally, all while running their empire from a laptop. This is your 2026 Offshore Blueprint, where I'll break down how offshore LLCs work, why global entrepreneurs are using them, and how you can structure your business for true global freedom. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. Let's start with the new global reality. Let's start with what's really happening in 2026. The world economy has changed dramatically. Remote work is now permanent. Teams operate across continents. Digital banking and crypto integration have made moving capital borderless. Governments are competing for entrepreneurs with lower taxes and easier business setups. This is the era of the global entrepreneur. But with opportunity comes complexity, new tax laws, global reporting rules, and data transparency requirements like the CRS and FATCA. That's where offshore LLCs come in, giving you a legal structure that makes operating across countries simple, secure, and compliant. What exactly is an offshore LLC? An offshore LLC, or limited liability company, is a legal entity formed in a foreign jurisdiction, typically one that offers strong asset protection, low or zero tax rates, and business-friendly regulations. It's not a secret company or a shady structure. It's a strategic tool. For example, a U.S. entrepreneur might form an LLC in Belize for global consulting work. A crypto investor might register in the British Virgin Islands for digital asset protection. A global e-commerce seller might set up in Dubai to take advantage of 0% corporate tax. These companies can legally own assets, sign contracts, operate bank accounts, and trade worldwide, all while the owner manages everything remotely. Moving on to the real advantages of going offshore. Now, why are offshore LLCs becoming the go-to structure in 2026? Here are the 5 big reasons. Global tax optimization. Depending on your home country and where you operate, offshore structures can legally minimize corporate taxes, especially when paired with residency planning. Asset protection. Your wealth is shielded from local lawsuits, inflation, and currency instability. In many jurisdictions, offshore companies' ownership details are private and protected. Global banking access. Offshore LLCs can open multi-currency bank accounts, helping businesses transact easily across borders. Privacy and confidentiality. Unlike domestic companies, offshore entities in certain regions don't require public disclosure of directors or shareholders. Expansion freedom. You can do business globally without needing to register a separate company in each country. This is how the new generation of entrepreneurs, freelancers, crypto investors, and online business owners operate like multinational corporations. So, the strategic side. How offshore LLCs actually work. Here's a simplified breakdown of how an offshore LLC functions. Formation. You choose a jurisdiction, file incorporation documents, and appoint a registered agent, your local representative. Ownership and management. You or a company you own are listed as the member or manager. Banking and compliance. Once formed, you open international bank accounts, set up accounting, and comply with annual filings or audits, depending on the jurisdiction. Tax residency. Your offshore LLC's tax obligations depend on where it earns income and where you reside. Some entrepreneurs pair their offshore company with relocation or digital residency programs to fully optimize. The result? A legal structure that reduces friction, increases protection, and maximizes profit retention, all within global compliance frameworks. Next, choosing the right offshore jurisdiction in 2026. Picking the right offshore destination is like choosing the right tool. It depends on your goals. Let's look at top jurisdictions for 2026. Dubai, UAE, perfect for entrepreneurs wanting 0% corporate tax and full foreign ownership. It's a global hub for trade and finance. Belize, simple setup, strong privacy laws, and minimal compliance, great for startups or consultants. Cayman Islands, ideal for fund managers and crypto entrepreneurs who need strong investor protection. Estonia offers digital e-residency, perfect for freelancers and tech founders. Singapore, a powerhouse for serious businesses that want access to Asian markets and double tax treaties. Each has different banking systems, reporting rules, and reputations, which means research and expert guidance are critical. Let's discuss common myths and legal realities. Let's bust some myths. Myth 1. Offshore means illegal. Reality. Offshore is completely legal when reported properly and structured by the book. Myth 2. It's only for billionaires. Reality. Small business owners, digital nomads, and even freelancers can benefit from offshore structures. Myth 3. It's too complicated. Reality. With digital filing systems and professional agents, forming an offshore LLC today can take less than 48 hours. The truth? Offshore LLCs are just smart, modern business design if you do it the right way. Now, how to get started with step-by-step. Ready to take your business global? Here's your roadmap. Define your goal. Tax savings? Privacy? Global expansion? Choose the right jurisdiction, based on reputation, cost, and business purpose. Hire a registered agent. This is your on-the-ground representative who files all paperwork. Set up banking. Choose a bank that supports multi-currency and global transactions. Stay compliant. File annual reports, pay fees, and maintain your company in good standing. If you're serious about forming your own offshore LLC, consider working with Northwest Registered Agent. They offer trusted business formation services and can connect you with international setup partners. I'll link them in the description below. What I love is they don't just file your paperwork, they actually protect your business address and keep your information off public records. They handle everything from forming your LLC to maintaining it properly year after year. So if you want to form your drone delivery LLC quickly and securely, check the link in the description below to get started with Northwest Registered Agent today. The future of offshore entrepreneurship. Looking ahead, offshore structures will become the foundation of how modern entrepreneurs operate. With global talent, AI-powered remote operations, and decentralized finance, business is no longer bound by geography. Those who adapt early gain control, flexibility, and resilience in an unpredictable world. The Offshore LLC isn't just a company structure. It's your passport to financial independence and global freedom. If you found this video valuable, drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more LLC formation, global business, and financial freedom content every week. And tell me in the comments, which offshore jurisdiction are you considering in 2026? Until next time, think global, act strategic.